Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video we're going to do a review on this guy, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw. So hey Lawn Care Nation, I've had the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw kit now for right around a year. Now when I first got it, I put out a video that showed an unboxing to let you see what to expect right out of the box. I talked about all of the specs and did a first use and got a first overall impression of this particular unit. Now that video could really be considered a part one to this video. And if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video if you're interested in watching it. So with that being said, I'm just going to briefly go and overview this particular unit here. So the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw kit features a 16-inch long cutting bar. It has the brushless electric motors, and of course that monster 12 amp hour battery. Now this battery is an absolute beast of a battery and absolutely fantastic. They rate this unit at 150 cuts of a 6x6 cedar post to give you sort of an idea of how long the battery life will last in this particular unit. So why would I, as a lawn care business owner, want to use a battery-powered chainsaw in my business? Well, I am predominantly a lawn care business. I mow lawns and do things like hedge trimming. And I don't have really that much need for a chainsaw on a daily basis. In fact, my chainsaw use can probably be summed up in about a half a dozen times per year that I need to use a chainsaw for things like maybe storm cleanup, cutting down debris to make it easier for disposal, or the occasional maybe pruning of a branch that's much too big for using some hand pruners or even a handsaw to do the job. So in that case scenario, the electric saw is absolutely perfect. I used to use a Stihl MS-170 chainsaw. It's their smallest residential gas unit, and the problem with that saw is I would spend more time trying to actually get the saw started than I would require for the actual cuts to be done. So over the course of the past year, I've had the opportunity actually this past summer to really put this unit to the test. I own a piece of recreational property. It's actually a spot in a private campground where each of the members owns their particular spot. And as a member there, they were clearing out a back wooded area that they wanted to clear, and they put out a notice to the members basically saying that, hey, if anybody's in need of firewood, we've taken down 150 trees in that back area. They're all delimbed. It's just all the big long logs lying on the ground. Just head on over there with a chainsaw, cut them down to size yourself, and haul them out there. You know, take whatever you need on a first come, first serve basis. So I thought, hey, this is perfect. What a perfect time to be able to test this chainsaw because my normal use for the chainsaw would be, like I said, maybe 1 or 2 cuts here and there throughout the year. So being able to do a whole bunch of cuts all at once, I thought would be a great way to test out this unit. So I have to say I was absolutely blown away and impressed by this chainsaw and what it could do. I was able to process all of the logs that you see pictured here into firewood with only a half of charge of that 12 amp hour battery. And so not only did this chainsaw impress me while I was using it to process all of that firewood, but it impressed all of my neighbors who saw me doing that job. They were absolutely blown away. I got so many people coming up to me and commenting on that chainsaw and asking me how I liked it. They were just blown away by how easy it was for this chainsaw to go through some of those bigger logs. Something that you wouldn't traditionally think that a battery-operated machine would be able to handle. But this unit just was a champion going through all of it throughout the day. So I think that the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a chainsaw for that occasional use. Now that's not to say that this unit isn't capable of more work on a consistent basis. I'm absolutely convinced that this unit will be able to perform on a consistent basis after processing all of that firewood. But on an occasional use scenario, this is absolutely perfect versus a gas chainsaw because, again, like I said, it's ultra reliable. It's always going to start as long as you've got a fully charged battery ready to go, and you're going to spend the time needed to get the job done versus wasting a bunch of time trying to get a gummed up carburetor to start again. Now, that's not the only case where I found this unit to be stellar. There's actually another case use scenario that I discovered in the use of this unit that makes it your only choice versus using a gas chainsaw. Now, at that same campground that I'm a member at, throughout the course of the summer, they started to implement different stages of campfire bans because as the summer wore on, it got drier and hotter, and the risk of forest fires, was getting really, really dangerous. And obviously, for a campground, when you're surrounded by, forest, a forest fire could be absolutely devastating to a campground. So one of the things that they banned during sort of the highest peak part of that forest fire danger zone was the use of gas chainsaws in the forest to process your firewood with. And that's where I saw, this is another case where a battery powered chainsaw is absolutely perfect. I was able to keep using this saw. I was able to go into the forest with the saw because there was no risk of sparks coming out of the hot exhaust with a traditional gas-powered chainsaw. So just another case use scenario that can let you, continue to use your tool regardless of how dry the conditions are and the state of, fire bans throughout the summer. So the other thing I love about the Milwaukee chainsaw kit is that it's part of Milwaukee's growing M18 ecosystem. So that means when that chainsaw is sitting in the corner of my garage for a couple of months in between uses, I can still use that monster 12 amp hour battery in any of the other Milwaukee M18 tools that I own. So I can put it in my string trimmer and use it for that, or put it in either of the hedge trimmers that I own and use it for a full day's work in those units as well. And that makes buying into the Milwaukee ecosystem an absolute value. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation. That is my full review of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw kit. So in summary, I think it's a perfect chainsaw for any lawn care business that wants to add a chainsaw for that occasional use. It's perfect for landscaping companies to do the same. It's perfect for homeowners that want to have a chainsaw on their property for, say, storm damage or to process firewood. And it's also a perfect chainsaw, say, for construction companies that need a chainsaw for occasional use as well, maybe for demolition type projects where they need to maybe demo old buildings and be able to quickly and safely do those types of things. And the bonus here in that scenario as well is that it's a battery powered unit. It can be used indoors. There's no toxic fumes and things to worry about if you had to do, say, a demolition type project. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw kit. So if you want to watch that original unboxing video I did where I go over all of the specs, do a first use and get my initial impressions of this chainsaw, I'll leave that video up here in this corner for you to watch, or I'll leave one of my other videos for you to watch up here in this corner. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.